But I guess my question to you, so let's say I'm a talent acquisition specialist or a manager or a team lead, and I've finally made the decision I'm going to implement AI. Like we're going to do it. What do my first 30 days look like? Like what should I be doing? Should I implement it within a week? Should I implement it on day one? Is there prep work I should do beforehand? Like because I want to make sure that for the members of our audience who haven't done it yet, they're not like, I love this webinar, which I hope you do, but I love this webinar. I'm using AI tomorrow. What should that first 30 days look like?
Yeah, absolutely. One of the biggest things is identifying, like looking at the data and identifying where those pain points are. And I think Josh kind of talked a little bit about this earlier, where he was, it's talking to customers and identifying where their gaps are, where the pain points are, and then building solutions for that. And I think it's taking the same approach as an individual, right? Let's look at the data. Let's understand where the gaps are. Let's understand where AI can make the most impact, but also understand where those low-hanging fruit might be advantageous, right? Can we do something really quick that's AI related that will have big impact, but is kind of easy to implement? For example, AI resume review. In a lot of ATSs have this already built in. And so, it's not something that you have to build. It's more of like a flip of the switch and understanding how to leverage it, how to use it. And so I think starting with that of looking at the data, understanding where we can solve, where are the little problems and where are the big problems that we can solve with AI, but then going through a bit of a more rigorous process to understand, again, how we can use it responsibly. So I definitely wouldn't recommend jumping in the deep end and starting using it tomorrow. Tomorrow, I want you to start identifying where you can use it, identify those pain points, identify those gaps. Then the next day, I want you to come to solutions, right? Okay, well, we can use AI for this, this, and this. And then the next day, it's, okay, so if we choose this one, what are the implications? What are the drawbacks? What are the positives? What are the negatives? Kind of do your, SWOT analysis, as if you will. So definitely not diving in the deep end, but there are ways you can use AI quickly. And then there are ways that you should probably be vetting it more rigorously.